God, I'm a bull. I'm on fucking What? I'm dead? No, I'm not. He'll never find me. I'm on Chimera Hunt on Gmod, so let's see what happens. He'll never find me. Oh. Baby piggy, baby piggy invisible. You cannot hurt the baby piggy.
I didn't mean to press that. God damn it! I just wasted a roar.
You're bad, Vincent.
I hear a phone call, Mr. Chimera. You should answer that. I'm hiding from the Chimera right now.
Probably can you stay up?
This feels like a scary movie right now with what I'm doing. Holy shit. Oh! Who died? Oh no! Oh no!
No!
Oh! Oh! Yeah!
For a second, I thought it was gonna be the new Mishimallow.
Oh no, I'm the Chimera. Hey, wait a minute. Can I kill myself as a Chimera? No, I can't.
Oh,
Fuck.
can I push your button then if you want to die? Then just
No!
push your button.
You fucker! No! Ah! I don't do well as Chimera.
Please no piggy pop. Please no piggy pop. Please no piggy pop. Thank fuck.
What the hell? I don't even know what this spin thing is all about. It's kinda cool though. Oh.
You know what Earthbound is? This is based off of Earthbound. One of the Earthbound
Can I just
games.
bypass without being eaten? I just want to go somewhere. I'm gonna hide again. Dude, nice lightsaber.
No, I'm expecting you. Expecting you, expecting me, expect you.
Oh. Hey, I'm spinning the spinner! Yay! What did I get?
$4, baby! You want fries with that?
What the hell is that?
Back boost.
Oh no, you gave it Goshen.
Oh, you bastard.
Yeah, you got it right.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking report you.
Oh. Rip.
Vincent's trigger.
Well, that command doesn't work,
Do it,
so
Coach
I guess I
Shane.
can't report you.
Goshen, do it, I dare you. Give me DP.
Where is it? Where's my spray? I can't see it. Oh man, I don't see my own spray.
I'm
Oh!
disappointed in you guys. I have the only
Fox
gift
is
spray
dead.
here. How does that even happen?
Rip.
What do they censor?
Gar,
This-
gar, gaga. Oh, that scream though.
Oh, there we go. They censor cancer.
Come find me, Froxy. Come find me, buddy. Oh, gaga, go, gaga.
You do. Oh wow. That's sad. I'm gonna be honest. I have Asperger's syndrome.
Oh. They'll never find the baby piggy. Baby piggy will live on forever. Oh yeah, I get to see my own spray, hell yeah! Oh, this is awesome. Hey Froxy, you see this man? Love my spray? It's awesome, man.
Nice.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe if you wish to see more. Goodbye!